place where your clothes feel neat. Zeegee's name you should know. Fresh and clean from head to
Welcome to Zeegee Laundry and Dry Cleaning Services. Here are some of the services we render in our company. 1. Laundry washing and drying. We use state-of-the-art machines to wash and dry clothes, ensuring they are thoroughly cleaned and dried efficiently. 2. Dry cleaning. Our dry cleaning process involves the use of specialized solvents to clean delicate fabrics that cannot be washed with water, ensuring they are safely cleaned and maintained. 3. Stain removal. We offer expert stain removal services, targeting and treating a variety of stains to restore your garments to their original condition. 4. Ironing and pressing. Our professional ironing and pressing services ensure that your clothes are crisp, wrinkle-free, and ready to wear. 5. Folding and packaging. After cleaning and pressing, we neatly fold and package your clothes, making them easy to store and ready for pickup or delivery. 6. Alterations and repairs. We provide minor alterations and repairs such as hemming, button replacement, and fixing seams to keep your garments in top condition. 7. Special care for delicate items. We handle delicate items such as wedding dresses, suits, and formal wear with extra care using specialized cleaning and preservation techniques. 8. Pickup and delivery services. For your convenience, we offer pickup and delivery services, allowing you to enjoy our services without leaving your home or office. 10. Customer consultation. Our knowledgeable staff provides consultations to discuss specific cleaning needs, fabric care instructions, and any special requests you may have. 11. Quality control. We have a rigorous quality control process in place to ensure that every garment meets our high standards before it is returned to you. We look forward to transacting business with you. Thanks for your patronage.
Give us a ring, make your life easy. Feel the clean, it's so breezy.